In this tutorial, I will show you how to add arrows to lines in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, open an existing design or click Create a Design to start a new project. After the editor opens, go to the left sidebar and click the Elements tab. In the search bar, type line and select a basic line to add it to your canvas. Drag the line to adjust its length or rotate it to position it the way you want. Next, click on the line to select it. When the line is selected, you will see additional options appear in the top toolbar. Look for the options called Line Start and Line End. Click the drop-down under Line Start and choose an arrow style if you want an arrow at the beginning of the line. Then click the drop-down under Line End and choose an arrow style if you want an arrow at the end of the line. You can also adjust the line thickness and color from the same toolbar to match your design. That is how you add arrows to lines in Canva.